Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. New Hampshire diocese to raise funds for hurricane relief. The Diocese of Manchester is holding a prayer service and fundraiser for the ongoing recovery in hurricane-hit Puerto Rico and other parts of the Caribbean. The initiative on April 5th begins with a statewide day of prayer. It's set to end with a mass and benefit reception with the Most Rev. Roberto, the Archbishop of St. June, Puerto Rico, and the Most Rev. Herbert, a bishop of St. Thomas in the Virgin Islands. The Mass will be held at St. Joseph Cathedral and the benefit reception at the New Hampshire Institute of Art. Hurricane Maria caused roughly $100 billion in damage to Puerto Rico when it hit the island September 20th. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll be back with more news reports tomorrow. Good night, everyone. Bye.